Welcome back to this set of videos on electric ukulele playing. We're now at jam level, and mostly it's to enjoy playing and develop technique and groove. If you're a beginner, you can also watch the earlier episodes, which go into more detail. Here I'll just show you the isolated uke track so that you can see the part more clearly.
There's a